Welcome to the DŌST assembly videos. In this one, Dave will show you how to install the trunk bag. First, undo the straps on the bag. Place the bag down and attach the straps underneath. To secure the bag's position, use the front two straps. Done. If you need more space, the side of the bag opens up into a larger pocket. The top of the bag is insulated for protection. You can also add a second pannier bag. Just slot it in and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.